have no idea how much you just missed. I'm sure you just missed a whole lot. I don't know how much. I have got this far. That went on quite a while. Right. The last thing I filled in was this bit here, because that had to be at least 2. That, so 1, 2, 3, has to be at least 4, making that at least 6. It can't be 6 or 8, so it was 7 or 9. That being at least 4, yeah, at least 4 or 6. That being at least 2, and that couldn't be 6. And honestly, I can't remember what the heck I put in now. Well, that had to be 4. It can't be 1, 2, 3, can't be 5, 6, 7 or 8, and it can't be 9 because there's an arrow through it. That only leaves 4. That had to be 7 or 9, and because I had a lot of this row already, that had to be 2, 3 or 6. 6? No, 2, 3 or 9. It couldn't be 9. There's an arrow through it. It had to be 2 or 3. Couldn't be 2 making that 6 because we've got a 6 there. Had to be 3, which leaves 2 there. That cannot be 1 or 2 or 4. It is 3 or 5. Can't be 7. That's 3, 5 or 6, making this 5, 7. Can't be 8. That can't be 7, so that can't be 9. And this can't be 7. It can only be 3, making that 5. Which makes that 8 and that 5. Four or 9 still. 1 has to go in one of those two. Two, 3, 5. So I need 4, 6, and 9. 1, 4, which can go there or either then. 6, which can't go there, obviously. Could go there, can't go there. And 9, which can't go in this row because of that. Can't go in either of them because there's an arrow through them. Therefore can only go there, making that 4. One has to go down there. 4 and 6. That can't be 1, it can't be 4, that can only be 6, those have to be 1 and 4. Doesn't matter which way round, they make that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, those are 8 and 9. I've got an 8 and a 9, making them that way around. This 9, those must be, could be 1 and 8 that way round. Neither of them can be 7. That's one's in the same column, one's in the same row. Could they be 3 and 6? Well, that can't be, that's got a 3 and 6 in that column, so no. That can't be 4 or 5, so they can't be 4 and 5. That kind of limits it to 1 and 8, and it has to go that way around. Which tells me 1 goes there and 4 goes there. Got a 9 there, got a 9 there, 9 goes in one of those two. It's 9 in this row, 9 has to go down there. What am I left with? 2, 7 and 9. Sorry, I've just put in the 9. 2, 6 and 7. 6 has to go there. Those are 2 and 7 is more than 2, so they have to go that way around. And the arrow means that's 5. So does the fact that it's the only number left for that column. By now I probably know which round, whatever goes in here goes. I need a 2 and a 7. There's a 2, so that's 7. Oh, there's a 7, so that's 2. 6 and 9. Now I've got 6 and 9, one way around, so these must go the other way around. Right, that is 9. It can't be 1, 2 and 6. It can't be 1, 3 and 5. It has to be 2, 3, 4. And the 2 can only go there. And 3 and 4 must go that way around, which leaves 8. And that's Sudokarrow.